Hey guys, it's Alex. Buenas tardes, soy Alex. If you guys hear some light snoring throughout this tutorial, I apologize. Mac has been sleeping underneath the chair I'm sitting on. Say you're sorry. He's actually trying to go back to sleep. So, we are going to get this look with some of my classic favorites for everyday makeup. Y este tutorial vas a hacer en Spanglish, Español, English, Spanish, English, Spanglish. Gonna do my best. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments down below if you like Spanglish vlogs. And without further ado, vamos a empezar con la base. Voy a utilizar el Foundation Foundation. This is SPF 20. Infused with Baba Suit, gives you natural radiant skin. Literally flawless. You will look great. So let's dive into some concealer. Estoy usando el tono 34N. 34N, medium neutral. It is my perfect shade. Y para el corrector voy a usar el Shape Tape Concealer. You guys know and love this product. Covers everything. No more dark circles. Mire el antes y después. Usé el Foundation para mi base y el Shape Tape Concealer para mi corrector. So I used our Foundation and Shape Tape for this quick before and after. Para mi colorete voy a usar el Amazon Clay 12-Hour Blush. I say colorete, there's so many different ways to say it. You can also say blush, which I also say sometimes, or rubor. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys say it differently. When you apply your colorete or rubor, you want to smile, check and blend, sonríe, aplica y difumina. El próximo paso es bronceador. Vamos a utilizar el Parket Princess Waterproof Bronzer. I'm a bronzer and blush fanatic because I like to look like I just got back from vacation. So just apply this in a 3 motion and you are all set as if you came back from vacation as well. Ahora para los ojos vamos a usar el Tartelette Bloom Eyeshadow Palette. Esto es muy natural. You will love the colors. They're gorgeous. They're everyday. This is an everyday palette. This is like your love at first sight palette. You guys need to try this out if you haven't already. Voy a aplicar el tono Charmer para la base. Just applying Charmer all over the lid as the base. Para los pliegues voy a usar el tono Rebel for our crease. We're using that shade Rebel right here to darken it up. Vamos a coger el tono Sweetheart and we're gonna soften up that Rebel color that was in the crease. Just buff it right in. I'm gonna go for a look more inspired by my sweater. So I'm gonna grab our Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush one more time and apply that to my lid. Para los párpados vamos a aplicar el tono Captivating del Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. Para la esquina interior, vamos a utilizar el tono Funny Girl right here, everyone's favorite shade, everyone's favorite all-time shade. You can also use it as a highlight. Lo puedes usar como un brillo. It's gonna come out great. Para la máscara, vamos a aplicar el Light Skimmer Lashes Form Mascara. Mira antes y después. I literally have no lashes on this side. They're super blonde, looks non-existent, and then all of a sudden I've got lashes. El próximo paso son los labios, and I'm not sure how to say sister brand in Spanish. ¿Cómo se dice sister brand en español? No sé. So we're gonna go with our sister brand Awakes Moisture Bomb Daytime Lip Mask right here. This has a 4-oil concentrated blend of olive, argan, rosehip, and raspberry seed to keep your lips hydrated for 12 hours. This will treat your lips for 12 hours. Yes, you heard me right, para 12 horas. Si tienes mucha tensión, vamos a relajarnos con el Keep Calm and Roll On Clarity Cream de Awake, our sister compañía. I don't know. We're gonna use our Keep Calm and Roll On Clarity Cream. If you guys know what sister brand is in Spanish, let me know in the comments below because I don't know it. This will instantly calm you. It'll take like a mental break, a mental breather. Just breathe it in and you're all set. Y con eso, aquí tenemos el look final. I hope you guys enjoyed this classic look using some of my everyday favorites. Déjame saber en los comentarios de abajo qué quieres ver la próxima vez. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys like to see next. If you guys heard any snoring, that is my dog, Mac. He is sleeping right next to me. Hi, Mac. So, until next time, hasta la próxima vez. Ciao, tartlets. Peace out. Ciao.